Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today I have the hat that we bound off earlier, and I'm going to show you what I do to block that so that it fans out nicely. I have a saucer and a spray bottle and a scrunchie. Oh, and you may need a towel, depending on how much water you use. So I take my saucer and I put it inside my hat. And I kind of just lightly pull it. So I have it held down there with my hand. So now I'm going to take my scrunchie. I'm going to pull my hat like this through. And the scrunchie is very loose on there. It's not very tight at all, and it stays in place. And then I take my spray bottle and I spray it with water. And this is where you'll want to take your towel and pat it if you get it too wet. I liked it to be, right now it's really hot outside or really cold outside, and the heater is running a lot, so it's a little dry in here. So it's not going to take hardly any time for this to dry out. So that's it. That is how you block a hat. Look at that. I love the center of hats. So I will come back and show you what that looks like when it's all dry. Alrighty guys, I have let this dry overnight with the scrunchie on it, and very dry. So I'll take this off so you can see. So whenever I take the plate out, it very much keeps that bottom shape, and then you can play with it whenever you wear it. So that gives it that nice spiral. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and found it to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching.